Hello everyone, it's me Alex Torres Unboxing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem on your Magic Sing ED8000. So first you want to do is make sure you have batteries or you have your power AC adapter plugged in and any sound chips. So what you first want to do is take a look at the back of the TV first, or here. You are going to want to plug in the cable into the microphone, the arrow connected to there. And then, on the back of the TV, have it plugged into the AV cables on the back and the power. But in my case, I am using batteries. So, what you first want to do is plug in your television. Let me get you to the view of the TV. It depends what kind of TV you have. Here's my TV remote. You're going to push power while it turns on. Hello. So it turns on, and of course, since this is the AV cables, you need to make sure it's on AV. So you have to click on Source and go down to AV. As you can see, it says no signal. So, what you want to do is turn on your Magic Sing. It might not turn on right away. Once you click power, it should turn on. But since it looks like this, you might be thinking, oh no, it doesn't work anymore. It does. But in this case, right now, you could let me change volume. You can record. You push the button, and now you're recording. But then, in a minute, it's going to turn off by itself. So it might make you think more like, oh no, it doesn't work. So, oh, there it goes. So it's going to happen no matter what, if you use the AC or the batteries. So what you first want to do, or turn it on, try without a song chip first. Take out the song chip. And we'll put that to the side. First, if it doesn't turn on, even with, like I did right now, take off the song chip. It might be the problem. And then turn it on now, without a song chip. So, and then what you want to do is press the mode button next to the play. And there. Now it's going to take you to the home screen. Here, as you can see, it says select. As you can see on the TV, it says select songs. So you're going to enter your whatever code you have, and you can push play. But since we don't have any song chips right now, we cannot do that. So you're going to want to turn it off, and let's insert our song chip. Then you're going to turn it on. It may act crazy while you insert the song chip. So what you first want to do, of course you have to do it when it's off. Even when you turn it on, it might do this. So it's either if you have it connected to the power back there, or here on the battery, take out the battery. Or unplug it. And then take out the song chip and redo it again. Put my back cover. And press power again. So here, it says now that you have a total of 170 songs. You could ignore everything else, and like I said, you're going to press down the mode button. It's going to take you back to here. So it's pink because, I don't know, something happened to it, so it cleared itself, so you're not going to have a background. If you want to get rid of the pink, you can push the exit video input, so it could be black, or it's up to you. I'll put it black right now so you can see my microphone. So here, now if you click the down arrow, here are your songs. So these are the songs that we have, your own ones. So here, So as you can see, it's acting crazy. Oh, here am I. Okay, so you could choose a song now. Just for example, let me just lower the volume. Here you can now, here you could see volumes. You could change all that now. And then here, the tempo, you could do all that too. Oh, it just crashed. That may happen since it erased itself. Like I said, you're going to want to remove or unplug the AC power, or depending on your battery. To take out the battery, or you unplug the power. And wait for it to cool down a little when it shows no signal. And then you could turn it on again. So you can see the power. Okay, so then you're going to want to hold the mode button while it turns on again. And then you might get a different background like this. Don't worry about it. You could just enter your code, whatever code you have on your book, and push play. And then like I said, you could change the mic volume, tempo, key, and all that stuff. Even everything else. Once it's like this again, it still loads, but you're not going to be able to plug in anything to the video output. Like, you know, you could have put your DVD in the background. You're not going to be able to do that anymore, because I think like it's all crazy. So yeah. And then yeah, that should be pretty much it. And also the score is not going to work anymore. Like, it's not going to tell you. Like an example, let me just turn this fast so you could hear. I'm just going to say like, hello, this worked, and it's not going to tell you the score. It's going to say like you got 100. Hello, this works. It says not bad, but you're not going to be able to see the your score. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It should be fixed already. And yeah. And also, everything works. Like I said, music, you can lower the volume, increase. Main mic, you can lower the volume. Hello. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's a quick fix. You might think it doesn't work, but yes, it works. That's pretty much it for this video, and have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave in the comments if you have any questions, or it might not work, and I could have another option for you. Have a great day. Hi everyone, it's me, Alex Torres, and today I'm going to be showing you how to go on a screen called Auto Test on your Magic Sync ED8000, or I think on the MT15K as well, or maybe any other model, the ones that are like this. So this is the one I did the video on. I got it repaired. Everything works fine now, and I put song chips there now. Everything looks good now. So what you first want to do to get on the screen called Auto Test or Audio Test, you're going to want to plug in the cable. Last video I used batteries, but I got it to work with AC now. So what you want to do, this is not the correct way, but don't turn it on like this. What you want to do, here are all the songs of course, so what you want to do is turn it back off, and right here on the play button, play and pause, you're going to want to hold that button and push the power on button. It's going to say A test here. Over there it's going to say auto test. So this is how the screen looked on when it was broken. So now, of course, now everything works. It has pictures and everything, and here it's going to look like when it was broken. So here, you could record like I did. Recording. And here you have all the version, the songs, and the pictures. It has 39 cut, and the font. Last time it did not have any font. And up here in the left corner, it's not here right now, but it'll play the last song that it played. And yeah, so now that's how you could do everything here. Like you could, like here you could check. Oops. Here you could check everything. Like of course, if you want to check how many songs you have. So actually, let's go ahead and turn it back off. And oh yeah, to get out of it, you would just turn it back off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all the song chips. just so the video, so you can see how it looks like without any chips. Now it's gonna stay no song chips. It'll say built-in songs though. So you'll hold again the play and pause button and turn it on. So there you go. So now it just says 2,058 songs, which those are all built-in songs from 8,000 to all the way to that number. So yeah, those are all without song chips, as you can see. So let's go ahead and turn it back off and insert our song chips. Make sure to do it when it's off. Let's go ahead and put them in order. And of course, the arrow has to be facing the correct way up, not down. So then here you turn it back on. You can hold a button. So there you go. So now it says with right there 1701 all the way to 2184. Those are all the song chips. So in total of the song chips, I have 484 songs, and all these right here are all the built-in songs. And that's the font and the picture that it has. So now you're going to be thinking, how do I get out of here? So in order to do that, you're just going to hold the power button. It's going to go blank. And then you don't have to hold that button anymore. Just turn it on like normal, and it should go back to normal. So I don't know, let's go ahead and play a built-in song. I just put whatever, a random number. So there you go. So now it's back to normal use. You could change the tempo, your key, anything like that. So you can see it's back to normal. The pictures are playing. I never use external video, but that'll work too. And repeat and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you could see everything. Let's go ahead and play another song. I don't know. So there you go. Let's play another one. So yeah, it's all back to normal. As you can see, you can play anything. There are all the pictures playing in the background. So yeah, that's how you fix it. Oh, see auto test and just turn it back off when you're done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. It's me, Alex Torres, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Magic Sync ED8000. This goes either for the Extreme Magic Sync ED8000 or the WoW Magic Sync ED8000. So I have it right here. As you can see, I'm going to you're going to want to plug in the cable first, the correct way. There you go. And I'm going to turn it on like normal so I can show you the settings that I have now. But please note, once you do this, it's called user reset. So let's say that you're singing or the scoring is not working or something is not working correctly. You can do that. But right now I'm just going to turn it on like normal so you can see the settings that I have. Please note, all the settings will erase to default. But nothing will erase like the built-in songs, pictures, and fonts. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and show you my settings right now. So I go to music. As you can see, music I have to 15. Melody I have to 15. Mic volume I have it to 15. Echo 4. And sub mic 15. So here in the settings, this is always off. But right here, as you can see, I have score check that one. Lyrics start help on. Real time score on. 2-line. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it to 3-line and left and right. So if we play a song right now, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so it could go faster. I'm going to put the TV on mute for copyright. Only when the lyrics come on, I'll show you how it looks. I should turn it back. But yeah, so as you can see right now, I changed it off to 3. As you can see, it's all mixed up. But this is all going to go back to normal. So it's going to go back to normal like when Magic Sync sent you the karaoke. So as you can see, it's playing though. I'm going to go ahead and stop that. And don't worry, the score is still going to work. So to do user reset, you're going to want to turn it off first. And you're going to want to hold down the 0 button for every, you could do, it's going to work with the extreme, the wow, and the normal version. So you're going to want to hold the 0 and power. As you can see, the echo went up. So as you can see, everything went back to default, 13. So I'm going to go ahead and change it back to my settings. Of course, you could do this to your karaoke. I'm going to go back to the main settings right here. As you can see, everything's working. Everything on the little screen is showing up as well. I'm going to see everything switched. So I'm going to go back to this, 2 line and center. So you can see if I play a song again. Okay, well, I'll let that play. I'm going to show you again the, what do you call it? The lyrics in here. Hold on. I'm going to show you that the score is working as well. This is working. As you can see, everything is working. So all it did is that it just reset it, all the settings back to like if Magic Sing shipped it to, when Magic Sing shipped it to you. But of course you could change it all back. As you can see, I changed all my settings back. It's all up to you. As you can see, you can even still change all this. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and talk. There are so many, there's so much echo, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back down. If you still want to be sure and double check, you could go to auto test like I showed you in my other video. So I'm going to hold down this button and the power. As you can see, everything's there. Version, songs, the pictures, and the font. And as you can see, everything is working. Everything is working. And yeah, see, everything's working. So yeah, you could even do this to exit out of auto test. As you can see. But of course, everything's working. It's just like if something happened to it. But of course, it's back to normal. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down if you have any questions. Thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye. Hi everyone, it's me Alex Torres, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access auto mode or audio mode on your Magic Sync MT15K. So I did a video about this on yesterday on the ED8000, but now those models have been discontinued at like 9,000, 7,000. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it on your MT15K. So this is a new one. I do not have any song chips here, just an English version, and the receiving pack for the sub mic, or the duet mic. So go ahead and turn it on like normal, and make sure it does turn on. And then here we have different modes on the MT15K. It has how to sing, game, and karaoke like normal. So go ahead and select karaoke. So there you go. Here are all the songs. So go ahead and play them. Those are English. And so now how to access auto mode. Auto mode. So you're going to want to turn it off. And then here you see this green button. You are going to hold that button, kind of like what I did with the ED8000. You're going to hold that button. While you're doing that, you're going to flip the switch up. And here, it's not going to give you a confirmation that you're in auto test. Up here, it does. So there you go. It does not show here on the mic, but on the TV it does. There you go. So this one looks different. Here, as you can see, since this one's a new one, it looks different. FM, it has none. This, the other ones, it had a setup for FM, which you can use it like wireless. You change your station. Here, it looks the same. Sub mic is on. It says right here. So let's go ahead and turn on our sub mic. This is not the one from this one, but let's go ahead and test it out. Hello. So yeah, that is working. We'll go ahead and back it. Here, it tells you the songs that it has right here. And those are ED0, I'm not sure what that is, but those are all the songs from 00001 all the way to 55101. And that's including my song chip with the English songs. Here are the pictures, 89 cut and normal, the font. The font is different on this one than the ED8000, so all of them are different because the other one's older. Record, I don't think you can record here. Oh, it does. Hello? Hello? It gives you more time. Here, that's font. So yeah, now you might be thinking, well, actually, not yet. I'm not gonna get out of it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off. I'm gonna take out the song chip and see how many songs it says it has without the song chip. So here's the song chip. Let's go ahead and there's no more chips in here. Close it up, and to confirm, I'm going to confirm that it does not show up the songs. I'm going to turn it on like normal right now. Power on. I have not gone to auto test because it does not say up here. And it's select karaoke. So now you are in karaoke. Those are all the built-in songs. So yeah, it does not have no more chips. So now to access auto mode like I did, you're gonna hold down the green button and turn it on at the same time. No confirmation here. You're gonna look on your TV. It does not tell you on the screen. You have to look at the TV. So there you go. So you can see when you talk, you could also test out the score. Because if I'm talking all the way back here, you can see that it does not turn on score. You have to talk louder, so that means that when you're singing like this, it will count your score. If you're like this, quietly, it's not going to count your score. Oh, for key, it says press. So, if you want to test out the keys, you could push 1. So you can see that works here on a little screen. It says 1 as well. So you can go ahead and play with that. test out the keys. Down, play. Oops, that's record. I guess you cannot test the play and pause. You will test the play. You will test the play and pause with the
recording. As you can see, it is now recording. Recording. As you can see, it is now recording.
And here it tells you it's replaying the recording. You could test down the back, cancel, reserve, search, mode button that you cannot test that one out either. Volume, pause, key, and replay. So this is what they pretty much will do at the service center, test out. So you could go ahead and test it out here. So as you can see, it is the same like when you're when I did the ED8000, but here it does not have any more keys. As you can see, it just says it has songs from 0001 all the way to 01573. So you can see it is counting my score. So the score is working right there. So let's go ahead and turn it off and insert our chip, and we'll give it a test.
We'll give it a test.
Of course, you need to make sure when you do insert the chips, make sure your Magic Sing is turned off. It does not matter what model it is, make sure it is off. So now you'll go ahead and get your chip. This is the Magic Sing Extreme Premium 1 Collection 1. I'll just go ahead and put it up here like it was. So we'll go ahead and insert it, making sure it is the correct way. We're going to go ahead and insert it. There we go. It is inserted. Put it on our back cover. And then we're going to turn it on like we did. Hold down the green button and the on button. The confirmation on the TV. Reminder, it does not tell you right here on the screen. You have to look at the TV. So that's the model, or version. Okay, so there you go. Right here that I was talking about on the ED8000, I did not play any songs yesterday, or whenever you're watching that video, but here, this is the song that I showed on the beginning of the video. 54992. That's the code for the chip. It did not have that code right now that I took out the chip because it's looking for the chip and it does not have it built in. So as you can see, there you go. Those are the ET, I guess, are the chips. And now it goes from 55101. It goes all the way to there. As you can see, it's still counting score. So now to get rid of it,
You are going to turn it off.
You do not have to worry about mess or home. That is what Magic Sing does when you buy it. They should do that. Like on the ED8000 yesterday, it did say what I had, where I bought it. And this one it doesn't, but it's okay. You don't have to worry about that. Magic Sing just knows if you take it to the repair shop, and then they'll be like, oh, okay. Now I know where you bought it. I can check what happened. But don't worry about that. The font, of course, and it has 89 cut pictures. So let's go ahead and turn it off and test out the songs. I'll just turn it on like normal without pushing the green button. And it's not going to say auto test anymore. Let's go ahead and test out a song. So I'll just insert a random number. Oh, Blink Space by Taylor Swift. So you can see it's back to normal. Let's go ahead. The font is there, so that is working. As you can see, all the keys are working. The pictures are playing in the background. Let's go ahead and test out the score. Let's see if 0 shows up. Or 36. That is working. So yes, the Magic Sing is back to normal use on how you should have purchased it. When it comes, it's back to normal use. So yeah, it is working. We're going to test out the sub mic as well. So let's go ahead and exit here. We'll go ahead and configure the sub mic. Because when you test, when I went to test it, you saw that it said sub mic on. But here, since it's back to normal use, you need to turn it on yourself. So let's go ahead and push on. There, it's on. I'm going to go ahead and lower the volume on the sub mic.
Hello? Hello? So this is working.
It is working because if you do have a magic scene and you want the sub mic, you need to put the receive pack. See, it is working. Turn it back on. Oh, look, that's a picture from the ED8000 I did yesterday. As you can see, it is back to normal use. The numbers are there. That's the chip. The chip is reading, or the microphone is reading the chip. The font is there, and the pictures and the score is working in the background. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you could do auto test on the new Magic Sings. I know there's new ones on that are wireless. Does no longer have a cable. I don't think auto test is supportable on that, but it should work on these, the ones that have a cable. So yeah, there you go. It works. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, more helpful videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Hi everyone, it's me Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you what happens if you take out the song chip on your Magic Sing ED8000 while it's on, or put it in while it's powered on. Okay, so I am going to say on this, do not do this on yours. I'm only doing it on this one because this one's broken, the one that the program erased. So it's broken. If I do it, it's not going to break anymore because it doesn't have any more song data or nothing. So please do not perform this on yours, because if you do, it'll break and it'll turn into this. This does not matter which model you have, just don't perform it. So this is what happens. So I'm just going to turn it on as normal. Okay, I guess this is the only song it has, so I'll just... Okay, so this is me. I'm going to show you when I take it off. Just do not do this on yours. So now I'm going to try to push the down arrow and see what it does. That's where it glitches, because it knows that, see, and it turns off because it knows that there's no more, what do you call it, song chip inside. It's telling you, like, there's nothing there. So let's go ahead and re-power it on. Oh, I need to insert our song chip. Okay, so now I'm going to do this test. This is how I'm going to do this test now. I'm going to turn it on and push down the down arrow and take it off right away and see what happens. So remember, do not try this on yours. So I did not have a chance to read the songs. Here it does not appear to be glitched. Just the song is glitched, or the boot up song. Huh. Oh, there's dots there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And here it still says select. Let's try to push music. Oh, it says music here. Okay, now that's a glitch. It says music, but there's no names. Like, there's no name, so I guess this is a glitch. So let's go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to probably cut this part off for copyright, but I'm going to leave a song playing and I'm going to reserve it and I'm going to take off the chip. I'll show you. I know it might not make sense, so let's go ahead and turn it on. So I'll just turn it on or put a song. I'm going to go ahead and reserve it. So in the, what do you call it, on when it says reserved, you know, in the interlude part, pause this. When you put in the interlude part, it's going to say next. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here and I'll resume it once. I'm going to go ahead and resume it here because here it's going to start saying the interlude. I just want to see if it even recognizes that it's not there, or I'll just see what happens. It does not recognize it anymore. It just says next ... So, and it's the same song, so it doesn't read it anymore. Now let's go ahead and see what it does when you put it in when it's on. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's in now. I'm gonna push down the down arrow. Oh, it read him again. So I guess it reads it again, but
Let's go ahead and reserve another song. It's working. Let's go ahead and take it out again. And then this is where it glitches. There we go. Now that's where it glitches. So again, do not perform any of these tricks on yours. If Magic Sync says it in the instructions, do not do it when it's on. It's for a reason. This can happen to it. It erases. So yes, please do not perform this on your Magic Sync. Oh, actually it does not want to turn off anymore. Let me unplug it from the bottom. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go see if there's another glitch. Okay, let's go try one more last song thing that it glitches when you take off the chip. So let's try one more time. Whoa, wow, the font actually came back. Okay, I was not expecting that. The font came back. Wait, hold on. Let me actually access auto test. Let's see if it says the font's back. Wow, it actually says that there's the font back. It says font K. I don't know how you say that. It's back. It just does not have any pictures. The built-in songs are not back though. So, wow, it's working. I guess just the font. So, just the font came back. Oh, the camera looks weird. This is actually a pink background. When it was broken when I did the last video, it just looks purple on the camera. Wow, let's see the song lyrics. Oh wow, it works again. Just the font. Maybe something's wrong, I'm not sure. Actually, let's go ahead and search another song. Oh. Maybe not. Let's try that again. I mean, the song chip is in there. Let's try that one more time. Wow, that was cool. The font came back a little. Let's see if it does it again. Oh, I guess not. Well, at least we got to see the font back for a little bit. And this is the broken one. I'm surprised it came back. Okay, so just go ahead and take out the chip again while it's running. There it goes. It crashed. Because it does not read songs in the chip anymore, so it does not know what song to play. Okay, so that's pretty much it, the end of this video. I will be posting another video today on how to change the melody instrument on your Magic Sync ED8000. That one I'm going to do it on the working one. So that's pretty much it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what happens if you take out the song chip while it's running. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Magic Sync videos. Goodbye.